Hey everyone, and welcome to another Airbrush Asylum video. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about skulls. That's right, skulls. This is what's going to be the feature for the artwork that we're going to show you today. It's all about skulls and smoke flames on a custom Harley, so why don't we go and check it out right now and see what you think. So this is the first mural that I wanted to show you. It's the top of the tank. You can see the real fine detail. This was created using the microdot template by School of Realism from Drew Blair. Also added in the gold tooth so that we could tie in the gold accents on the Harley, and the smoke flames as well were added after the artwork, after the skull artwork was complete. So you can see how nice that flows down the center of the tank. So this will now get the 2-pack clear to bring up all the murals and make them glossy. The side of the motorbike tank. See, that fits nicely with the flames, those smoke flames trailing off the skull. Sorry you're getting a bit of reflection, but that's from the Intercoat clear that I've sprayed over. I used the SG100 by House of Colour just to seal in the Trident water-based paint and just to make it safer for transport, as well as before the painter clears it, that way he can easily water wipe it or tack rag it if he needs to. So we've got that mural there, obviously the one we just showed you on the top. So let's spin it around and we'll show you the other side. The other side of the tank. Again, mural fits nicely. So the way I transferred these murals was I started off with a Payne's Grey by Trident just as a base color. Then I used some, I printed out some skull references, and then I cut out the main features like the eye sockets, the nostril, made some paper templates, sprayed those areas roughly with like a transparent black, and then I came in and I shaded with white, transparent black again, and then a deeper sort of black just to get my depth. And as I mentioned earlier, there was some template use, just using that microdot template just to get some of those real fine dots that you can see there. It's the front guard or front fender, whatever you prefer to call it, with the smoke flame also trailing off the skull. And the rear guard, rear fender, again with the gold tooth, more texturing. The gold, believe it or not, is just made up of, I put a white pearl down, and then I used a transparent yellow and a transparent orange to create the gold. So that the white pearl just gives it that shine. So once that's cleared, that'll really pop. And then we've got the smoke flames trailing off with a couple of little embers as well. The airbrush that I used was a Iwata CM-SB Micron, and I'll pop some links in the description below. And just to tie in the theme, we added some smoke flame to these little panels as well. Again, I'm getting a lot of reflection from that Intercoat clear, but the Intercoat works extremely well just to protect your water-based paints. If this is the first time to our channel and you like what we do, feel free to hit subscribe. We do weekly content. We'd love to have you as part of our community. And remember to tap on the bell icon, that'll notify you every time we put out new content so that you don't miss anything. So I'm going to show you how to airbrush the gold tooth on the skull. So you can see I've used a bit of just transparent blue vinyl, and I've just cut out a little square a little bit larger than the area that I want to spray. Stuck that over the artwork, and now using my X-Acto knife I'm just cutting out the actual teeth that I want to be gold. Now I am fully aware that you can purchase gold airbrushing paint. The reason I decided to do it using a few different colors is because you may not have any gold. So I thought, okay, let's show you how to do it using some standard colors. The only thing you would need is a white pearl. So that's what I ended up starting with, and I just used the white pearl, a transparent yellow and a transparent orange to create these gold teeth. So you can see here I'm just masking up around the vinyl that I've cut out for the teeth. I'm just using the 2-inch automotive masking tape just to protect my overspray, so I'm going to keep it nice and controlled, and we're going to spray that now. So using my Iwata HPCS Eclipse, I'm just spraying some white pearl directly over the teeth. So a few good coats. Now white pearl's transparent, but on the angle you will get the flip. After quite a few coats it will begin to become a little bit more opaque because of the metallic. But yeah, you can kind of see a bit of a shimmering there, showing you that that white pearl has been added. And now I'm switching to my yellow. So this is just a transparent yellow mixed up with transparent base. I'm using Trident water-based airbrush colors. I will put similar colors in the description below for anyone that's overseas and doesn't have access to the Trident paints. I'm also using now a transparent orange, so that's giving me more of that goldy look. Obviously once this is cleared, that pearl is going to really shine through and make it look exactly like some gold teeth. Now I'm switching to my detailed transparent black, the same black that I used to render the skulls, and I'm just going to split the teeth with some shading. And I'm using my Iwata CM-SB Micron. I'll pop some affiliate links in the description below so you can see what products I've used. So now that that's all done, I'm carefully removing my masking tape, and I will need to do a little bit more freehand airbrushing just to clean up around where the masking edges are and to blend it back into my skull artwork. So what I'm going to do now is remove that vinyl mask that we stuck on earlier, just using a bit of paper towel so that I can comfortably rest on it. And using the edge of my X-Acto knife, I am just picking up the edge of the vinyl and carefully pulling back. You can't notice with the camera angle, but I'm pulling back on a 180-degree angle just to limit any chance of lift-off. And now just freehanding in and softening off those edges to blend back into my shadows. So just being nice and close and careful with that. And that's pretty much done. There you have it. We have some nice gold teeth on this skull. So there you have it, guys. I do hope that you enjoyed checking out the artwork that we've just completed on the Harley. I'm super pumped to see it all clear coated, and we will definitely show you what it looks like once it has been completely put back together, cleared and buffed and all shiny and nice. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and taken a look at that project. There's many more to come. This will become a tutorial. We've just got a few others to work through, so we'll gradually be uploading them on this channel. So until next time, go grab your airbrush and we will see you again soon with another video and another project. Bye for now.